Hi friends, welcome to SGK English for a new video. It is for a 9th class textual grammar. What is given in page number 52 and 53. But actually it is phrasal verbs which anyone can learn, not exactly for 9th class alone. High school, college, even anyone can learn some phrasal verbs. So what is a phrasal verb? What's a phrasal verb? Phrases used as verbs. Phrases which are used as verbs by adding an adverb, a preposition or both. Phrases used as verbs by adding an adverb, a preposition or both adverb and preposition. So that is what we have to study in this lesson today. Before beginning the lesson, let me request you as usual to subscribe if you have not and give me a like please and support me, and also enable the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let us come to the first phrasal verb. Look up. Okay, now up is adverb actually. Okay, now look up, sit down, go out. Okay, adverb. So look into. Into means preposition. Okay, now look into means investigate, search. The police is looking into the murder case. That is different. So look up means consult. You have to look up. The dictionary for doubts clarification regarding word meanings or spelling or pronunciation. Look up a dictionary, for example. See, I didn't know the meaning of physio until I looked it up. See, split. It can be split into different. Okay, now. Yes, given not together but separately. Looked it up. That is what is you are asked in your textual grammar. So use phrasal verbs in a split form. Why it is split? How to know whether it can be split? If direct object is there, it can be split. A phrasal verb can be split into two, given separately, not together. If there is a direct object, if no direct object, it cannot be split. All phrasal verbs cannot be split. If there is a, direct object, it can be split. Otherwise, it cannot be split. See, for example, I looked it. See, the word meaning. In the dictionary. Look up in the dictionary. Okay, na? It can be together also. It can be together used. It can be separately used. If there is a direct object, it can be split. Otherwise, it cannot be. Second question, bring out. Produce the best of. Yes. For example, she needs friends to bring her out. See, bring her out. Of herself. Means to bring out the best of herself. She needs her friends. It is her friends who is motivating her, inspiring her. So she actually needs some friends to motivate her, to inspire her. Yes, bring out. Okay, bring the best of. Okay, now? Then throw out is generally used. Throw out, throw it out, throw it out. Okay, so to get it off, the judge threw their claims out. See, the arguments threw it out and issued the order. Threw their, see, this is an object. Their claims is the object. Threw their claims out and issued the order. Though they claimed several different things, those claims were all thrown out. Threw it out. The judge threw their claims out and issued the order. So throw it out. Next question, look out. See, keep a watchful eye. Keep a watchful eye. Generally it is used together. You see, for example, here is look out, a dog behind you. A warning. Look out, a dog behind you. Your friend, see, a dog behind him, your warning. Look out, a dog behind you. Look out, a car is coming. Generally it is used for warning. Look out, someone is attacking you. Someone is coming, running towards you. Look out. It is generally meant for giving a warning. Okay, now? Yes, keep a watchful eye on. That's the meaning of it. Okay now. It can be separated also. The policemen are looking for the culprits out in the stadium. Looking for culprits out in the stadium. Looking out in the stadium. Keeping a watchful eye and warning too. See? Okay. Generally it is used together as a giving warning. To give warning. Okay now? Yes. Generally it is used to give warning. Look out, a car coming. Means you are warning someone. Okay. Look out, a dog behind you. Yes, a dog may attack now. Surely, it may bite. So take care. Giving warning. That is look out. It is generally used together. It can be used split also. For example, the policemen are looking for the culprits out in the stadium. Out in the stadium, they are looking out for the culprits in the stadium. There may be someone, okay now. So they are in search of, they are keeping a watchful eye on whether any culprits are there, they may misbehave, etc. and etc. Several are there, you must move fast. Okay now, then bring up page number 53. See, some more are given, you are asked to find a phrasal verb. All these things you can have many phrasal verbs. I mean, bring up, bring out, bring in, many are there. As you are asked to write only one, I am telling only one. Okay, each can have, I mean, many uses. For example, look after, look into, look up, look out. See, look out, notice, isn't it also? So many are there. It can be in many ways. All we cannot tell in one video, no? So I am telling you one each for each of them. Okay, now, if you want to learn more, I will give more videos on phrasal verbs. Please keep on watching. See, keep on watching. Okay, bring up, to care for a child until he is an adult. How are you brought up? You see, whom are you brought up? Brought by your parents, of course. Yes, I was brought up with much difficulty by my father, by my parents. You see, how are you brought up? Bring up. See, very often you, that's why generally used words only I have given here. Not difficult ones, very easy ones you can simply understand. Generally used, you have to use phrases to make your language good and better. Okay now, even when you write a letter and all, you have to use some phrases. Good language always brings better marks. Okay, where is it? She brought up 5 children. My mother, I mean, had to bring up 5 children. We are 5. So bring up, that's all. Look after, this is very often used. 10th class is there, intermediate is there. 10th, intermediate, all in a higher class you have to study it. Okay, now that's why I use this look after. So you can have many with the look into, look up, look down upon. See, look into, look up, look down upon. Many are there using look. Now we study look after. Take care of someone or something. Take care of, not simply looking. See, best example, see, parents look after their children and the children in their turn look after them in their old age. It is our duty to look after the parents when they are old. Best example. It is our duty to look after our parents when they are in their old age. Grandparents we can say also. We have a duty to look after the grandparents when they are old. See, one example, see, parents look after their children. And the children in their turn will come. Their chance will come when the parents become old. Is it not so? Yes. In their turn, look after them, the parents, in their old age. Okay. Next, rush out. Ray, don't rush out, please. Slow. See, produce something very quickly. We have to rush the manuscript out. See, you have to rush the manuscript, it means handwritten copy. See, so that it could be copied. So we have to rush it out, rush the manuscript out, a split form. Rush the manuscript out so that we can take copies. It could be copied, rush out, not simply running out. See, produce something very quickly. We have to rush the manuscript out so that it could be copied. Yes, keep up means maintain, continue the course of action. The principal asked the winners to keep up their, good performance. Maintain or go on, carry on. Next one is to go on, same, continue. Go on with your good work. The Prime Minister, told the winning team, okay, go on, carry on, go on, keep up. Then put up means display. She put up a brave fight before surrendering. Even in sports it can be. Some days we may not be winning, or a team may not be winning the first prize or gold medal. So they have to fight it out up to the last, no surrendering. So she made a brave, she put up, a brave fight before surrendering. Though she could not win, she made a brave fight. She put up, displayed. She put up a brave fight before surrendering. And yielding to the world ranking number 1 in the competition. Okay, go on is as you must continue. Go on with your work. Continue with your good work. The principal said you can say. Put up means display something courageously. So she put up a brave fight before surrendering. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Once again, go through the video a second time. Study it well. Goodbye.